Trying to get a little better results with my cultivators. I have the Rescia cultivator back here, and what I did is overload it to one side. Okay, and what we're going to do is go up one row and then turn around and come down the same row, and you know, hit both sides, and hopefully this will work better. Let's get this started. It's on the Casorzo. And that's the Casorzo 15R, 9 horsepower. I'm going to get it I'm going slow. This way the Casorzo just has to go down the middle. And normally I would. I'm trying to do this all with, you know, one hand. We already kept these rows pretty well cultivated. All right, we'll stop it there, just because it's hard to do one-handed. But yeah, the idea is you go down, and I would get closer if I was just operating normally to the plants, and then go down the same row and get closer on the other side. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Oh, and the other thing too is I'm going to change this up, because I found when I started using the Power Harrow, which is a great weeder, on the MAB 231, I found it better out front. It was just easier to control and easier to move. So that's going to be my next video, is that I'm actually going to use the MAB, which I can get the wheelbase even narrower, even smaller than this Casorzo, and I'll put the implements out in front and see how that works. That's the next video. Thanks for watching.